Hi, the root of Bloody Boy. My name is Daniela Mariño Figueroa. Hi, the root of Bloody Boy. My name is Daniela Mariño Figueroa. Dracula were up at 10 o'clock p.m. Have a bank breakfast of both and pride. He take and shower just one a month and only change clothes every day. At 12 o'clock a.m., make his bed, it is cough. He does 100 push up and on clock a.m. and 10 sharpen is 10 right the wing of the stairs. At 3 o'clock a.m. his morning begins. He goes to work over Highlander and Seal Swimmer. Finally, at 5 o'clock a.m., he visits his bad pals and he wishes the good night. This is when his day is overseen. He sleeps from a 5:30 a.m. to 10 o'clock p.m. So he is full of energy to start a new day. Thank you, said Dracula. Bye.